Hi! In front of me is NUBIA Red Magic 8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. First of all, you need to open voice recorder app. And before starting your recording, select this microphone at the top right corner. Then select the best format option for you. Now to start your recording, click on this red button. You can pause it or unpause it using the same one. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on this little flag. And to add a photo one, on the little camera icon right next to the flag. Now take a picture. To discard it, select this X on the left, and to add it, check mark on the right. If you wish to end and save your recording, hit Done at the bottom right corner. Then name it however you want to. Now you can finally hit Save. And to play your recording, click on it. If you wish to get rid of it right away, you need to hold it and click on Delete option at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!